I give it like around 45% more. We'll see.
Yeah, I think you got plenty.
Okay. Gear up. Can this thing run a 4-cell?
I'm not sure. I never tried that. Probably have to look at the ESC and.
Yeah, it's got plenty of power. Ooh, it's on. It's got a little nose up attitude, but it's just barely anything.
Well, speaking of nose attitude, remind me to show you on that other plane when you land.
Oh yeah.
Something important on it. It was some. It's got some backwoods engineering going on it.
Yeah, for real. I need to turn up my rates a bit because I'm flying in high aileron. And that feels like low rates, rather. Do low pass. Feels real straight now.
Yeah, looks good. I saw the red light real good, but I didn't see the green on it.
Yeah, green's harder to see.
It was on though?
Yeah. I got a mid off set up. Do you land this with flaps ever?
I never had. It slows down pretty good. Nice. Very nice, Preston.
Thanks. Full rudder. Maybe I could put just a tad more, because that's high rate. I like the
All right, and the history on this was originally Paul Lang's member at the club. He used to be club president, and I got it from him. I flew it 2 or 3 times. Crashed it that last time, busted the nose, motor mount, and the elevator. You got that all patched up, and so your first flight on it, what do you think?
flies great. It tracks pretty straight.
Keeper or
Definitely
swap
keeper.
market?
Definitely a keeper, I'd say.
All right, cool. Thanks for the flight.
Yeah.